In an exciting transformation, a standard box truck is turned into a colorful mobile food sanctuary. The journey begins with a group of enthusiastic mechanics brainstorming how to make the truck functional yet inviting. They face challenges like installing a full kitchen with plumbing, electrical work, and compliant ventilation. Innovative ideas, such as folding tables and retractable awnings, give the space versatility and charm. As they work, they share personal anecdotes about their love for food and cooking, making every bolt and weld infused with passion. The project ultimately culminates in a truck that not only brews delicious meals, but also serves as a community gathering spot wherever it parks.